Thank you for the chocolates, Dad. You are welcome. May I help you, Mum? Sure. Thank you, Tina. Excuse me, Dad. May I come in? Yes, please come in, Tina. I am sorry I spoke while eating. Never speak while eating.
My 5 senses. I have 5 senses. I see with my eyes. I see the frog jumping. I hear with my ears. I hear the bird singing. I smell with my nose. The roses smell good. I taste with my tongue. The candy tastes sweet. I touch with my hands. The ice feels cold. Whatever I do, I use my 5 senses.
Number 0. Number 0.
Trace and write the number name.
Five little soldiers.
Five little soldiers standing in a row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain, and what do you think? They all stood straight, as quick as a wink.
Five little soldiers.
Five little soldiers standing in a row. 3 stood straight and 2 stood so. Along came the captain, and what do you think? They all stood straight, as quick as a wink.
Number 1. Number 1.
Trace and write the number name.
Uses of hands and legs. Hand. Pick. Right. Hold. Legs. Climb. Run. Kick. Walk. E-family words. Trace the letters from EA to ES.
You must follow good manners at home. Greet people.
Be kind. Share. Help others. Listen.
Match the following.
Number 1 to 30.
T 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10 10 10 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 20, 20, 20, 20 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 30, 30, 30, 30
This is the story of a very greedy rich man who chanced upon meeting a fairy. The fairy's hair was caught in a few tree branches. Realizing he had an opportunity to make even more money, he asked for a wish in return for helping the fairy. He said, "All that I touch should turn into gold," and his wish was granted by the grateful fairy. The greedy man rushed home to tell his wife and daughter about his new boon, all the while touching stones and pebbles and converting them into gold. Once he got home, his daughter rushed to greet him. As soon as he bent down to scoop her up in his arms, she turned into a gold statue. He realized his folly and spent the rest of his days searching for the fairy to take away his wish. Number 2. 2.
Trace and write the number name.